Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome. We are live on YouTube and we're about to go live here. Want to welcome everyone to our evening presentation. My name is Benjamin McCray. I have the honor of hosting tonight's overview. Let me get this set up for recording here. We are recording, so we're good to go. So again, welcome, welcome guys to our MWR Financial Cash Flow Overview. I am so fired up about sharing some information with those individuals who are open to opportunities. Here's what I need you to understand. And welcome to all of our my YouTube viewers who's listening in live right now as we speak, and for those who's listening later on. Guys, we are so excited because one of the things we realize is the one thing that we must do in order to get on top of money, put ourselves in a better financial position, put a wall of protection around our families to offset inflation or the uncertain times that's coming, is to increase our cash flow. And I need you to understand that most people who have a financial problem simply have a cash flow problem. And we have a solution with MWR Financial, which is Make Wealth Real, MWR. We have a complete cash flow system for individuals to be able to leverage. So I have the privilege to go through the information. At the end of this presentation, get back with whoever invited you. Let them know that you are interested so we could get you plugged in and take advantage of all the exciting things that we have going on right now with this company. So guys, let's jump right into this. I know it's late for many people, early for some. But, you know, the key thing is this, guys. One thing that I would share with you is we're talking about the ultimate cash flow system. It's a complete cash flow system that we're going to speak on. Whereas one of the first things you want to do is help create cash flow. Here's the thing. If you want to make some incredible income, what we show you how to do is create cash flow. We're not talking about getting a part-time job, working overtime. We're talking about a part-time business is what you need to do to create cash flow. One of the best ways to offset inflation is to make more money. Having a home-based business helps put you in a tax bracket where you open up over 400 tax write-offs. So it simply makes sense to start a home-based business. We're also going to talk about increasing your cash flow because it's not what you make, it's what you keep. A lot of people are working, but overpaying on taxes, overpaying on their debt, overpaying because they have bad credit on interest. We have experts that we're going to assign to you who's going to simply increase and fix those financial leaks in your financial bucket. Understand this. I want you to understand, no matter how you're making money, it's going into a financial bucket. And if you have bad credit, if you have overpaying on taxes, if you have you have buried in bills, then all your money is leaking out of your bucket. You don't have the ability to create the overflow, which is the blessings and when you have that overflow coming through. And this is where MWR Financial comes in, where we solidify your financial foundation by clogging those leaks, allowing you to be in a position to build up that overflow where you can save more, bless more individuals, and invest more, where now you have the ability to multiply your cash flow. People are talking about you want to invest. Yes, you do. But 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. What are they investing? That's simply a reality. Most people are not investing anything significant to make a significant impact in their wealth. So what we want to show you how we put this together with MWR is we create that discretionary income by helping you to become a business owner, helping you to keep more of the money that you make. Now you have that pile of money sitting there, that discretionary income, where we show you how to multiply it and build generational wealth. So let's talk about creating income. Guys, understand this. With our business opportunity, which is our cash flow opportunity. We get paid 7 different ways with this company. Understand this, we get paid daily, weekly, and monthly. First thing we get paid is $40 every time we share this service with an individual who becomes a member. They say, hey, I just want to be a member. I see the value in this service. I want to have access to the experts. When they come on board, you get $40 that day directly deposited to your account. As you build up your memberships, and we have 10 members on the books, now you have 10% in a residual income that you'll start earning for all members that's remaining on the books on a month-to-month basis. Those are 2 ways that we get paid. Our third way we get paid is leveraging our efforts by building membership getters. We bring on board new business partners who's going to help us to go out and spread the word. Here's what I need folks to understand. There's nothing significant that has been accomplished without an individual putting together a team. Guys, teamwork makes the dream work. Even Jesus came and recruited 12 people. So why you're out here trying to do it on your own? You have the ability with this business to go out and help individuals come on board and partner up with you. Each person that comes on board, you get $50 in what is called a sponsor bonus. There's no limitation, no cap in terms of the amount of partners you could bring on board. You can set up distribution all over the country. There's no territorial restrictions whatsoever. We're open up in Puerto Rico. We got a great momentum stirring up in Puerto Rico. We got some momentum that's starting to buzz out there in Hawaii. I mean, so this is exciting. All time zones, guys, money in your sleep. You now have access to it. But not only that, that's our third way we get paid. As we bring on new business partners, we want to create momentum. So that partner, as they move in ranks, can earn $150 to $1,500 in their first month, their first 2 months to 90 days. But we strive to get people to that $1,500 in their first 3 weeks. That's the standard that we set within our organization. We want to show you how to get it done. Ask whoever invited you, who brought you on, how do I make $1,500 in my first 3 weeks? We'll give you the game plan, show you exactly how to get that done. Because what happens when you earn that $1,500, that in a momentum bonus, that simply means you promoted yourself to a position called 3-star executive. You're in a position now where you're getting leadership coded bonuses. Not only are you making $50 for every partner you bring on, but you're making another $30 up to $150 added to your position. So if you're just a 3-star executive, not only do you make $50, but you make $30. Now you just make $80 every time you bring on a new business partner. And then as they bring on partners, you're going to get $30, $30, $30 down through infinity. And as you continue to move up in ranks, it goes from $30, $40, $50, all the way up to $150 in coded bonuses. If you understand this industry and the power of coded bonuses, ladies and gentlemen, millionaires have been created with this component of compensation alone. And our company rewards activity. So on a week-to-week basis, we have what is called a performance bonus. As you build your team and everybody's going out and recruiting and bringing on new partners, every 6 qualified financial directors that join your organization, once you're a 2-star executive, which is just 12 people on your team, you're going to get what is called a performance bonus. If you have 6 people to come on from Monday to Sunday, 12 midnight, that $300 is dropping into your bank account on Monday. You bring on 12 people, $600 on Monday. Ladies and gentlemen, that's major. We also have what is called the guaranteed income. This is game changing. This is why a lot of leaders, once they see this, they can't unsee this. We have it a daily guaranteed income. I need you to make a note. You can set a budget on a guaranteed income. We get paid $5 to $15,000 a day in a guaranteed income. Now, yes, $15,000 a day is a lot of money, but I need you to understand people are making that money. Athletes are making it. This is what we call athlete money. Professional athletes who grew in their skills and earned the right to make $5.4 million or more a year. Well, with this company, as you grow in this business, you have the ability to get to a position which is called a national ambassador, where you're making $15,000 a day, $450,000 a month, $5.4 million a year. Why not you? But let's take you back where first, let's get to $20 a day, all right? Because here's the thing. If you master the skill of getting to $20 a day and then turning around and helping everyone else get to 20, whereas you're making $20 a day, $600 a month, $600 a month extra money is significant. That offsets the rising cost of gas, the rising cost of eggs, the rising cost of people paying their rent, their mortgage, and everything else that's going up, 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 while their money is staying stagnant. It's that extra money that sets people free and set them up in the next lifestyle. This is what we bring to the market. So as you master the skill of helping people get to $20 a day, you'll eventually get to $300 a day. That's $9,000 a month. That's six figures that you're earning in your business, and you just continue to grow. Now you're making eventually what, $400 a day, $1,000 a day, $500 a day. It's a process. Now, if it took you 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 10 years at your job, what is the likelihood? Understand this. I need you to think about this. You put in 10 years at your job and you give your all. You're the best of the best. You went to get all the schooling. What is the likelihood of you making $15,000 a day, let alone $1,000 a day for most people? It's very not, for most people, it will never happen. But with this opportunity, you don't have to go into debt. You don't have to go back and get any type of schooling. You just simply commit to learning this process. You're a business for yourself, but not by yourself. We're going to help you on this journey to grow inside this business and eventually get to the number that you identify. And I need you to figure out what's your number. What's your financial freedom number first? So financial freedom is where your assets, your business sustains your livelihood, where you don't have to go to work if you don't want to. What's that number? Is it $4,500 a month? That's only a team of 180 people. Is it $9,000 a month? That's less than 480. That's less than 500 people. What's your number? Let's go to work and get that financial freedom number. Then we build the wealth. And that's exactly what we do here. Guys, our compensation plan is absolutely amazing. I could get fired up and talk about it all night. Now, it's one thing to have an amazing comp plan. But if you don't have a product or service, we offer an amazing service that brings true value to the marketplace. My mentor said, Benjamin, if you want to get rich, let alone wealthy, you must identify a problem in the marketplace. If you find a problem, a need in the marketplace, then wealth is yours. Well, with 78% of the American population living paycheck to paycheck, 80% of American population's overpaying on their taxes, 90% buried in debt, would you agree that if there is a problem, financial cancer, that's causing people to live in quiet desperation? Well, this is the solution to that problem, whereas we give people access to a service, the most comprehensive financial membership that helps to increase their cash flow. We assign them wealth experts who clog the financial gaps that's causing them to lose their money because they reduce their taxes, lower their bills, eliminate their debt, and help raise their credit score. Those are the four things right now taking money out of your pocket. And with our membership, we solidify your financial foundation and put you in a position where not only are you making more money, but you're keeping the money that you're making, which is absolutely amazing. And we also have an amazing component we just added because, hey, our company is Make Wealth Real, MWR. Wealth is measured in home ownership as well. They say the average homeowner has a net worth of $200,000, where the average renter has a net worth of less than $6,000. And that's a terrible wealth gap. We are shrinking the wealth gap, helping people become homeowners with our Keys to Home Ownership program. You want to get back with the person who shared this, they'll tell you more about it. Guys, this membership is amazing. So we've helped you create income, increase income. Now you have a pile of money, discretionary income sitting around. What do you do with it? Most people don't know what to do because you aren't taught how to build wealth. We spend money, we get money, we go from cash to trash. You get a stimulus check, you go spend it on Louis Vuitton, which is why Louis is now the wealthiest man in the world because of all the stimulus checks. And guess where people went? To the Louis store. You go from cash to trash. And that's how you stimulate the market. We want to show you how to go from cash to putting it into an asset, allow the asset to continue to grow and compound, which is with our diversified cash flow account. This is how we multiply our money. We assign you with wealth experts who's going to help you to go through this process, which is absolutely amazing. We're so excited and fired up about this, guys. I need you to get fired up as well. I know it's late at night, but listen, if you really understand what I'm going over, you should not be able to sleep too well because you're thinking about how many people can use this service. We have what is called a land banking account, where you have the ability to buy land at 20, 40% below market value. We have a Trust My Asset account, where we show people how to properly structure their assets, their wealth inside of a trust so that they're protected. Their taxes go from 0 to 5%. You own nothing, control everything. You're non-taxable. That's major. Excuse me. That's major, guys. So we don't just talk about this. Documentation beats conversation. We have thousands and thousands of members. You go to our Facebook page, you'll see where there's thousands of folks who are absolutely raving about how much they love and how much MWR Financial has changed their financial situation. Multiple six-figure income, top income earners within the company are $1 million residual income ring earners, along with average of anywhere from $2,000 plus a month. On average, our members are getting back by utilizing all of our services. This membership puts money back in your pocket. Did you hear what I said? The membership puts money in your pocket, which is why our retention rate is at 62.1%, which is absolutely unheard of. And that's what we bring to the marketplace, guys. This is so exciting. Now, our business and our membership results, they outperform the cost, but we're going to even put more icing on the cake. We're going to give you a guaranteed income. Here's the thing. If our opportunity expert and services are not able to help you to create, increase, multiply your cash flow within your first 30 days, MWR Financial is going to give you a full refund. Who does that? Ladies and gentlemen, that's where we call putting your money where your mouth is. We have the receipts. We know it works. It's up to you now to take full advantage of it. Now, of course, you have to participate in the services in order to get the results you're looking for. Now, you ask, how much would something like this cost? You know, average CPA, E&A is anywhere from $200, $300, $400 an hour just to have a conversation with them. Most people have been priced out of the money game. Rich people are not rich because they're smart. Rich people are rich because they are hiring smart people and putting them around them who understand tax laws, loopholes, and things of that nature. If you don't know the game, you can't win. But what MWR Financial said is, listen, we're going to level the playing field. We're not going to have you paying thousands of dollars. We're going to charge you $5 a day, $149.97 a month. This covers you and your spouse. If you're not married, you and any other individual who lives under the same roof, one individual is covered under this membership. There's no setup fees. Understand this. If you refer 3 other individuals with your membership, you're going to get a code where you can refer to people you know, love, and care about so that they can improve their credit, lower their taxes, eliminate their debt, put themselves in a position to buy a house. Once you get 3 or more people signed up, your membership is waived on a monthly basis as long as you have 3 active members. But along with that, to tell people, why not get paid? Become a business owner. We tell people about a good movie, a good restaurant. We tell people about a good landscaper. We tell people about other good experiences all the time. We are in the business of networking and referring people to services and opportunities and products. Why not get paid for it? For an additional $100, we're talking $249.97, one-time $100, then $150 a month. You have the ability to become a business owner. Now you open up your immediate income, your residual income, as well as your guarantee, your bonuses. Guys, this is amazing. So here's where you make a decision. You're either a 2 or you're a 1. A 2 is a person who says, listen, I see this. I'm ready to get this membership. I need this membership. Here we are 6 months in the year 2023. My New Year's resolution was to improve my credit, get out of debt, fix my taxes, and buy a house. And I'm not doing too well. And you guys do everything I said on my list for $5 a day. Let's go. Stop trying to figure this thing out on your own. Now you have the ability to leverage experts just like the wealthy. And then you have the person who says, I want to be a part of this movement. I want to help you guys tell people about this. I want to become a business owner. And I can get excited about this business because it's a professional service that brings true value to the marketplace. And the compensation plan is absolutely off the chain. Guys, guaranteed income, come on. So if that's you, send the person who invited you on that and let them know you're a 1. We could get you your links, get you signed up, do a game plan, and strategize to help you get up and going for amazing growth. So let me be the first person to welcome you to the MWR Financial Opportunity. I'm so fired up and excited. I feel like I went turbo speed in that overview. But hey, it's so simple. It's so easy. There's no fluff, no chaser. It's just what it is. I don't have to sell you, and you don't have to sell others on improving your credit. You don't have to sell people on lowering your taxes. You don't have to sell people on reducing your bills. Understand this, guys. See what I'm saying? You don't have to sell people on eliminating your debt. Everybody wants that. Becoming a homeowner, increasing your cash flow, 400 tax write-offs. I mean, it's a no-brainer. All we do is tell. And we can do that within a 25-minute time frame, keep your life flowing, and continue to go from there. So right now, it's up to you to make a decision. Are you in or are you out? Get back with the person who shared with you this information. First, you want to thank them because they thought of you. Now you have been educated and informed. Hopefully, I did a great job in doing that. Now it's up to you to make a decision. And that's what it really boils down to. Are you a 1 or are you a 2? Are you a member? Great. Let's get you set up with the experts, get you plugged in. Let's get the experts going to work with you, fix your credit up, fix your finances up, put you in a good, strong position. Or you're one where you say, hey, let's join the business and let's get you to 3-star executive in the next 3 weeks. Guys, God bless each and every one of you. Take care, take charge. Let's go and let's grow. Mr. Parker, we're good to go?
Great job. Great job, my friend. Outstanding.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. God bless everyone. Take charge. We'll talk to you soon.
You bet.